the under-recruited athlete football show proudly brings you the Virginia players to watch. Today, we highlight Angelo Toure from Caroline High School as a top athlete to watch. This segment is sponsored by Elite Talent Football and its partnering affiliates. Please help us spotlight young athletes across the nation by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support helps bring the exposure they deserve.
I like a long hair, thick red pound. Open up her legs, then fillet me on that pussy. I'ma get in and on that pussy. If she let me in, I'ma own that pussy. Gon' throw it back and bust it open like you supposed to. Girl, I got that dope dick. Now come here, let me dope you. You gon' be a dope fiend. Your friends should call you dopey. Tell them keep my name out their mouth, 'cause they don't know me. But you can't come until